holding.
Yep, no problem.
All right, so looks like yeah, we place a restriction just to verify some details or information in your account to make sure that we still have your updated information. Can you help me with your email?
Yeah, it'll be. I mean, like, you want me to verify email or?
Yeah, can you verify your email?
Yeah, it's on that account. It'll be wreckingball26@me.com.
Did you add a different email as well aside from that?
Yeah, I did. It's kobayashilives@gmail.com.
And how long have you had this email, sir?
Which email?
Kobayashi.
I don't know, maybe 2 months.
And if I may ask, this part of the process here, since you're showing that it's not, your email is not the same as your name. Can you provide details on how you come up with that email?
What? Say it again.
Yeah, well, the email that you've set up on your account doesn't match your name. So this part of the process, we need to note here about the details of how you come up with this email. Why it's not matching with your name?
I don't understand. I have email, whatever email accounts are on there are on there. I mean, I'm the one who put it on there. So yeah. I don't. What else is there?
I think we just need to understand how that's Kobayashi,
Well, what do you mean? How I got it, or
yeah.
how how I got the email address? You just.
How you come up with that email, Kobayashi? I mean, how is it related to? Is it like your nickname, Kobayashi?
This doesn't sound like Capital One, to be honest with you. I mean, like, what's the problem? I don't understand.
Yes, sir. It's just part of our investigation process here, just to make sure that everything is clear. So, since you added an email that is different from your name, so we just wanted to note here.
Well, all my emails are different from my name.
Okay, I understand now. And yeah, it looks like aside from the email, we also need to verify your address. Can you provide your address?
The address that's on there is going to be, I think, what is it? P.O. Box 1273, Medford, Oregon 97501.
Alright. And how do you usually log into your account online?
Yeah, online.
Yeah, how do you normally log in, sir?
How do I normally log in? What do you mean?
Yeah, like how do you normally log in? What devices are you using?
I don't know. I use a phone, right?
And yeah, can you provide details on like are you using password or like Face ID?
What do you mean? Well, of course I use a password.
So you log in using a pass. How many phones are you using?
What do you mean?
Yeah, like how many phones are you using to log in, sir? Online.
I don't know. Like, I use one at a time.
How many phones have you used to log into your account? I think that's my question.
How many phones? I don't know. Like, I have, you know, I don't know, but probably 2 different phones.
And what type of devices are you using to log in, sir?
What?
What type of phones are you using?
What type of phones do I use? I don't know. Like, it doesn't really matter. Like, there's only 2 types of phones, right? There's iPhones and there's Android phones, right?